everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Tonight, it is a Friday fun day! So we are going to make ourselves some fresh strawberry daiquiris. First thing you need is your strawberries, washed off and drained. We're going to go ahead and cut these up. You need about 3 cups worth. Just want to cut them into some nice chunks. And we're going to put them down in this bowl because we're going to add a little bit of sugar and smush them up before we put them in our daiquiri mix. So you just cut these babies. Cut the little green off of it. Now you could use frozen strawberries if you want to, but we wanted fresh. That's just going to make it better. So we have our strawberries in our bowl. We're going to add a little bit of sugar to that. About a tablespoon, not much. And then you just want to kind of mash them up a little bit. Just want to kind of basically release that strawberry flavoring is what we're doing. Release it. Release the beast. Alright, so just like that, just like I said, you're not mutilating them, you're just kind of releasing some of those flavors, letting that sugar get down in there. We're going to let this sit for 15 minutes before we move on. Alright, it has been about 20 minutes on our strawberries. We're going to add 3 cups of strawberries to our blender. These nice fresh strawberries. Probably about this whole thing, but we're still just going to do it like this. I can already tell we're already down to, we're going to have the 3 cups. So I'm not doing this anymore. We're just going to take that skull and just dump the whole thing in there. Juice, sugary juice and all. Now we need 8 ounces of white rum. We're using this Bacardi white rum. You can use whatever brand you want, but this is what we're mixing ours with. So 8 ounces of white rum. 1 ounce of orange flavored vodka. Half of a fresh lime juice. So we're going to use our Gator from Ototo. Squeeze that juice right down in there. This thing works so good. Just look at that. 2 ounces of simple syrup. Or you can use sugar and some water if you want to, but we have this simple syrup, so we're going to go ahead and use the 2 ounces of it. 2 cups of crushed ice. This is a 1/2 cup, so I'm just going to use 4 of these. We're going to blend that up until that is blended and slushy. We have our little container contraption here for making our drinks. We're just going to put some lime juice right around our edges here. I'm going to dip this in some sugar. And then we're just going to pour that right on in. We're going to do the same to the other because, you know, I just have to make 2. You can add extra ice to this if you want to. Just kind of fancy it up. And there, folks, you have some fresh, homemade strawberry daiquiris. Cheers, y'all. That's good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you like these kind of videos. We can start doing more of them. I like to experiment, but I like cooking better. But, you know, who doesn't like drinking? See you on the next video.